It's a big week ahead that could well set the economic tone for the rest of the year and apply more pressure on the government. Joining us now, Peter Switzer, founder of the Switzer Report. Pete, good morning to you. So quarterly CPI is up. Monthly CPI has not been good. So how are we looking this time around?
Well, it's Wednesday. It's a big number. It's going to have a big impact on the RBA's decision on Tuesday week, whether they should raise interest rates or not. I think the critical thing, Pete, is look at what kind of number will either be good for interest rate worriers or bad. Now, if the CPI for the quarter comes in around 1 or 1.1%, the RBA might be willing to hold. That would bring an annual rate of about 4.1%. Anything over that is going to be quite dangerous for interest rates. Anything underneath it would be really good. So that figure around 4.1 and 0.1 or so, that's going to be very, very important.
Okay, yep. All right, so that's a big day this week. We've also got retail out this week too, Pete. And I mean, this all fits into the overall economic picture at the moment. I note there's a report out by ASIC today that says insolvencies when it comes to hospitality businesses, cafes, restaurants, etc. Closures are now happening at the fastest pace on record. You know, they've got energy bills, they've got soaring food prices, plus people just aren't going out to spend. I mean, that fits into the picture that the RBA is going to have to consider too.
Exactly right. And the last national accounts economic growth number was a lot less than expected. So, Pete, you're right. Retail, building approvals. There's a plethora of data this week, which gives the RBA a chance to get a snapshot of what's going on in the economy. And lots of the data we look at are lagging indicators. So, you know, the things could actually be a lot worse, but the actual numbers aren't showing it. So it's going to be a very important one. And also in the US, they're going to get the jobs report end of the week. Now, they look like they're going to cut interest rates in September, but there's so much data coming out this week. In a sense, we need the data to confirm that the Yanks will cut rates in September, and that's going to be good for the stock market. The stock market did rebound on Friday, and our market is expected to open 60 points higher. So putting it all together, the CPI on Wednesday is going to be the critical one. If it comes in good, I think that the stock market will really love it over the next few months.
Okay, we shall see. We know Pete Switzer is an optimist, so we hope he's right. Pete, we'll talk to you soon.